Most people believe that once they start earning serious money, their financial problems will disappear. They think a $70,000, $85,000, or $100,000 salary automatically leads to wealth. It doesn't. In fact, for many people, high income is the exact moment their financial life gets permanently destroyed. I've seen people earning six figures who are more stressed, more trapped, and more broke than people earning half as much. And the reason is simple. Income does not create wealth. Behavior does. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Nobody wants to say out loud, a $100,000 salary can either make you financially free or financially enslaved. And for nearly 90% of people, it becomes a trap. More money doesn't fix bad habits. It exposes them. The moment income increases, lifestyle expands. Bigger house, better car, more subscriptions, more travel, more rewards. And suddenly, that impressive salary disappears before the month even ends. Wealthy thinking asks one dangerous question that most people avoid. If I lose my job tomorrow, how long can I survive? For most six-figure earners, the answer is terrifying: 30 to 90 days. That means they're not wealthy. They're highly paid, but financially fragile. Real wealth is not about what you earn. It's about what you can live without working. Here's where people get angry. The problem is not taxes. The problem is not inflation. The problem is not the economy. The real enemy is lifestyle inflation. Every raise becomes an excuse to spend more instead of save more. And once your lifestyle matches your income, you're trapped. You can't quit. You can't take risks. You can't slow down. You are rich on paper, but poor in reality. Let's talk numbers. A person earning $100,000 who saves and invests $2,000 a month can quietly become a millionaire over time. The same person who spends everything will work for 40 years and retire scared. Same income, completely different outcome. This is why money doesn't change people. It reveals them. Most people never get rich because they never delay gratification. They want comfort now instead of control later. They choose convenience over compounding, and compounding is the real secret of wealth. Small, boring, consistent decisions, repeated for years. Not hype, not luck, not genius. Discipline. Here's a brutal reality. Most people earning $100,000 feel rich, so they stop trying. They stop learning. They stop improving. They stop investing in assets. They think they've made it, and that false sense of security costs them millions over a lifetime. Wealthy people live below their means, even when they don't have to. Poor thinkers spend up to their limits, even when they shouldn't. That difference alone decides everything. The goal is not to look rich. The goal is to be unbreakable. If your income disappeared tomorrow, would your money keep working for you, or would your life collapse? That answer tells you everything about your financial future. Income is temporary. Skills are replaceable. Investments are what stay. If you want to be rich, stop chasing higher income and start building higher discipline. Control your expenses. Invest automatically. Ignore lifestyle pressure. Build assets before upgrades. That's how wealth is actually created. Quietly, patiently, without showing off. Most people will never do this. And that's exactly why most people will never be rich. Even if they earn $100,000 a year,